Hi guys, welcome to Community Beat. First of all, congratulations for the new season. How's the excitement?
You can see on our faces. Very excited and nervous.
Yes, yes.
The trailer looks very promising.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What other response you received from your family and friends after they watched the trailer?
They loved it. I think they are intrigued and excited to see, even though they know the story from me. They still want to, they're very excited to see actually how it looks, what's going to happen. And yeah, and from the general people also, we've been receiving the same comments that they're loving the trailer, and they're very excited to watch the second season. And they've really waited a lot, like for a very long time for the
Very
second
long
season
time.
to come out.
Yeah, my family members and friends are super duper excited. They're so excited. They keep calling me. I keep receiving messages. When is it coming out? Finally, they have a date. So yeah, looking forward.
So there are so many new characters that are coming up. Why don't you guys introduce your characters?
Oh, your character is.
So,
Anyone
it's basically, so I'll just tell about myself. My character has not changed much. I would say she's the same. She's the same person, but all her emotions have amplified to a level where she can go to any lengths to achieve what she actually started the journey with. So I have just changed the identity, just the name, but the character is just the same.
Yeah, I am a new entry. So I'm playing a gangster. His name is Shakil Ansari, but he's not a typical वो एक जो टपोरी टाइप थोड़ा अपुन टपुन बोलने वाला वैसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. He's a very sophisticated and very perfectionist kind of a person, but very dangerous, calm and yet dangerous. So yeah.
So I believe that when you guys shot this, it was like pandemic going on, or it was before the pandemic.
No. So we
First
can
lockdown
say,
had happened, right?
So while you guys were shooting for this, how was the entire experience?
The experience was great. I mean, I was really looking forward to the second season, and I was really waiting for the shoot to start. So we started in the month of January 2021.
As
Like
they've
just
decided
this
now.
year.
Yeah.
Yes, and so we started the process in 2020 by December, I think, and we went on floors in January. So I was definitely very excited to meet the new cast, to talk to them,
She's
to
talking
have
about
a conversation, and do the reading, sit with the director, again have the same conversations. Uh, you know, agreement, disagreements about a certain scene or a mood or whatever. So I was really missing this process, and so when it started, I was really, really happy. And so the experience has been great. I've met some fantastic actors and good people on the
Again,
set.
she's talking about me. Yeah, so.
Uh, so yes, so he's definitely one of them. Don't worry.
So sweet.
I'm
Thank
not
you.
excluding you. So yes, so the experience overall has been great, and we've been very cautiously shooting, following all the protocols given the government guidelines and everything. So yeah, that's thoda sa it's little changed. The atmosphere, the work environment has changed a bit, but still
Yeah.
we've tried to keep it as normal as we could, and follow everything, follow the safety rules and regulations, and still shoot, and we had fun.
Yeah. For me also, it was a wonderful experience. I think, especially if I have to mention my directors, Sachin Darikar and Vishal, both of them are so good. As pure creative people who want to create something nice. So yeah, and I also got the opportunity to meet good actors. So yeah,
Nice
it was
of
a
you all.
wonderful experience.
Okay, So, in the trailer, we saw a lot of action. So, were there any challenges you faced while shooting for the action scenes?
Um,
Big yes.
Big yes. Actually, I would say I had not, matlab, itna firing I had not done before. So, holding a gun was never a problem, but firing a gun sometimes can become a problem. You know, it's like you blink your eyes, or the concentration it goes off, or because it's you're not expecting, you know that you're going to pull the trigger, but you're not expecting the bullet to come out and just so that was it. That was a fun part. But obviously the locations that we shot at, I think the locations were more challenging than the sequences for actors. I think reaching the locations and managing everything was little challenging, I would say.
Yeah. I didn't have too many action sequences. I think I had there was this big sequence, and I had just one entry. I enter and then do something. I can't reveal that.
Yeah.
Do something and then I leave. So for me, it was quite smooth. It was not that difficult. I had proper conversational scenes more than the action sequences.
Yeah, exactly. So action sequences, as
You had proper action scenes, right?
we did.
You
So
had,
we
Ashwin
had,
Surve had.
yes. So we were running between in the mountains, and so yeah, that was physically challenging, I would say. So yeah, this season is quite a lot different than
Season
what
one.
it was. Yes.
Since we're talking about the experiences, would you like to share your best memory while you were shooting? Both of you.
My
have
best
so
memory
many,
is
yeah.
from Manali. We were
Yes.
shooting in Manali. I had just one day of shoot there, and then I was enjoying it so much because
Same here.
all my other scenes were in Mumbai, and that was the only scene I had in Manali, and I had just one scene in Manali. So I enjoyed it a lot because the scenery, the feel of that place is so amazing. It was beautiful. I had a great time.
Mine was again same in Himachal itself. So we were shooting at a place. So basically, when everybody had researched and whatever, seen the temperatures, expected temperatures and everything on Google, it was showing moderately cold or anything of around 11-12 degrees, which is not that
Decent.
cold, right? It's decent. So we belong to cities which are colder than 11 or 12, which go below
Yeah.
9 and 7. So I think none of us were actually shoot wise prepared for a snowfall. So we had to shoot in a snowfall, and just after the snowfall it gets cold like crazy. So all my clothes so my costume, my stylists and everybody had to run to the market and get some warmers, because I couldn't shoot, I couldn't stand in that cold, I couldn't say a line because my mouth was
Jamming.
so yeah, so that was a great experience. I love cold, I love being in the cold, I love being in the snow, but it came unexpectedly.
Challenging.
It was challenging. So, and challenging for everybody, not just me as
Especially for
an
the crew.
actor, the entire crew. So yeah, so that was so now we laugh it out, but yeah, that time it was scary.